Okay, here we are, Axeda Connexion 2012. Aaron's in the background, smiling, happy that we said it right. And now we're going to have a little wonderful time because, Bill, what a success this show is. It's certainly grown a bit. Talk to me about the growth you had.
Well, we're really excited. Last year we had almost 300 people here. This year we'll probably be over 400 people here. And with the likes of new platinum sponsor AT&T, and then now all of a sudden we've gotten the attention of the ERP, CRM vendors. So SAP's here, Oracle's here, Salesforce.com's here. So, but most important, our customers are here, over 100 of our customers. So we're looking forward to interacting with them.
And I know we've been talking a little bit about what you've been doing today when you were sitting with your customer advisory. And where are we at in terms of just bringing M2M to the marketplace? Where are your customers? What are they saying to you?
Yeah, our theme is Get Serious about M2M this year, and that's really about trying to help our customers unlock more value out of their connected product. A lot of them started with maybe some point solution to do a very specific thing. A lot of cases it was just remote service. And now we're trying to help them realize they can do so much more with that data. They can feed a analytics and reporting system. They can integrate it with their billing system. Finance could benefit from the data, engineering, product management. They can start building smartphone and iPad apps. They can start doing predictive analytics. I know that's a area you cover, right? Really have artificial intelligence that kind of recognizes when the machine needs to be serviced before it even breaks down. So I think now that people have done the hard part, which is getting that thing connected and sending data to our cloud, you know, they can do almost anything they want with that data now.
And let's talk a little bit about that. Where are we at in terms of overall development? Like, one of the conversations I had with the Oracle folks is the fact that we're really at a stage where when you've got it out in the cloud, you're gathering more than just a specific thing. We're not talking about fault systems on individual things, but really looking at the collective network, right? One of the big announcements you guys have is the social machine side of the equation. And do you see that kind of expanding as to how we go along in terms of more information from more elements?
Yeah, absolutely. So, you know, a lot of the initial connections that with equipment, machines, assets are around kind of monitoring it to see if it's broken or working, or pulling a simple location to find the device or things like that. But you know, take Salesforce.com who's here. They have a great use case of letting their salespeople know how the equipment's being used. Is it up? Is it down? Has it been idle? Has the customer been having issues with that? And is there a competitor in there? So all of a sudden, utilization of their equipment is down, and they can, or it's up to the point where it's 100% utilized. They need to go in there and sell more equipment. So that's just one example of that data feeding, you know, sales. Who would think sales could actually benefit from a connected product? But there's many others, finance, engineering, you name it.
Yeah, and since we're being serious, one of the big things that I've noticed here in the customer list is we've got a lot of medical folks. You want to talk about the medical side of M2M?
Yeah, and I mean, way back when, a decade ago, connecting products was hard. And only the big, expensive stuff that was mission critical got connected. And that's where we started, right? We started with equipment that always has to be working in the hospital, you know, cancer equipment, medical treatment equipment. Then we moved into storage and banks, ATMs, right? So you can see the pattern there, right? First generation was stuff that had to be up and running, and now we're moving into stuff where the cost has come down. You can almost connect anything now. It's not just the big, expensive medical equipment.
Excellent. Bill, again, congratulations.
All right, thank you very much. I'll see you around the event.
Yes.